Good morning. I'm here to talk to you this morning about our school, Holy Cross Lutheran School. The school is doing very well. Currently has 29 students that are there full-time for preschool and 29 after-school students that come over for after-school care. We do have a couple paid positions that are being offered at the school. They're part-time. And we also need volunteers to help walk those after-school care students over from across the street. So if you're interested in that, there's information in the emailings that go out, and you can also see me afterwards. But that's not really what I'm here to talk to you about today. All that's important, and while the school is doing great, the building itself, as some of you know, is in need of some repairs. The building itself is struggling a little bit. Many of you have seen the carpet that's already been replaced in there. There are some modifications for the restrooms over there. There's a wall, one of the external walls, that is actually beyond repair and needs to be fully replaced. The siding needs to be replaced on the building, and there's a few smaller items that I'm not going to go into in detail that also need to be worked over there. So, as everybody knows, repairs of those magnitude can cost a lot of money. And we're looking at about $100,000 in repairs for the school. It's not all bad news, though. About half of that's already been funded. We had one member from the congregation donate $25,000, which was matched by the board of directors with existing funds. And so we're looking at about another $50,000 that we need to raise to do repairs for the school. So if you have the means and if you're so moved, please consider giving to this cause. I can assure you that any gifts you give would be appreciated and would be well used. You can do it the same way you give your normal regular offerings, either online or Sunday mornings in the offering plate. Just please annotate on those gifts that they go for school building repairs, and then we'll know where to allocate that money. If you have any questions afterwards, I'll be around and happy to answer any questions. Thank you.